make a classic airplane, first you need a piece of white computer paper and you're good to go. The first thing you're going to do is fold it in half, hot dog style, and you match up the edges along here. And the more precise you are, the better your plane will turn out to be. And you just kind of want to make sure that the crease is really well done. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to open it up and you're going to take this top flap and you're going to line this edge with the center. So you're going to match up this edge with the center crease, and once you feel like you have it, then you want to make this crease very strong. And then now do the other side. Make this line match up with the center line, like so. And then you straighten out and make that crease firm as well. The next thing you're going to do is you are going to turn it this way, and you are going to make this line up with the center crease. So you're going to fold it over like this and kind of put your finger here to make the point so it won't collapse. And then once you feel like you've got it, you press down really hard. And there you've got that. And now you want to do the other side identically. So you want to line it up with the center line. And once you feel like you've got the good alignment, then go ahead and make your creases really strong. Okay, so it should look like this. All right, now what you're going to do is you're going to fold it one more time. Now this is a little tougher because you have more paper to fold. So try to make this come to a point as best you can, and then line this edge with the bottom edge of your paper, like so. And then make the crease very firm. And then flip it over and do the same. This top edge is going to match this bottom edge. And just be very careful because it's a lot of paper to fold. You kind of want to keep your point and make sure that it matches up with the bottom edge, and you are good to go. So this is the typical classic airplane. And when you open it up, you're going to flap this wing up and this wing up. This is how it looks like on the top. This is the side view, and this is the bottom view. And what you can do is staple it so that it holds it together. Now, this is the classic airplane. And then we have a fancier version called the Dagger. And it looks like this. And then we also have one called the Arrowhead, and it looks like this. And you could decorate it with stickers, anything you want, okay? And then one more that we have is called the F-15, and it looks like this. It's pretty cool. So anyway, you can make airplanes however you want, but this one is a classic one, and it's really easy to make. So I hope you enjoyed it.